Hi everybody, I'm Carrie from the Frog Project and welcome to your quick detox and reset yoga routine. So come down to your mat, come down lying on your back and bring your legs out straight. So let your feet just fall out to the side, rest your palms facing up, backs of the hands on the floor. Take a moment to feel your whole spine supported by the earth. And just take a moment to check in with your abdomen and with everything going on inside. Notice how you're feeling. And slowly bring your legs towards each other. Take a moment here, then bring the bottoms of the feet to the floor as you slide your feet in towards the body. Take a breath in, lift the knees, lift the feet. Lift the legs slowly up, stretching out through the legs, gently activating the core. As you inhale, push the heels towards the sky. As you exhale, pull the toes towards the face. Really nice. And then bending the right knee, relax the right foot in. Give the right knee a squeeze. Maybe holding onto the knee if that feels okay. A nice big breath in, and as you exhale, slowly lower the left leg towards the floor. Not all the way, just a hover above the floor, and then when you're ready, inhaling, gently bring it back up. 2 more times like this, strong through the core. And imagine like this leg bone is attached right up inside of the body. So you're moving from the center as you lower your leg down. Inhale to lift it back up. Release the right knee, both the legs join side by side. Another breath in, heels to the sky. As you exhale, toes towards the face. Good, bend the left knee, take a hold, give it a squeeze. A nice big breath in, and as you exhale, gently lower that right leg towards the floor, not all the way. Inhale, lift the leg back up 2 more times with your own breath. Feel the activation there of the core, waking things up. Good, a final breath here. And gently all the way back up to the ceiling. Let the left leg join. Inhale, push the heels to the face. Exhale, heels to the sky, toes towards the face. Lovely. And then gently release the legs. Maybe a little bit of a wobble, a roll side to side. Then crossing the ankles and see if you can rock yourself all the way up to sitting. Bring the feet to the floor in front of you. Press down through the big toes. Inhale, lift the arms out in front of you. Turn the little fingers so they're facing inwards, which gives a nice opening to the chest here. Take a big breath, and if this is enough, stay here. You might start to feel a bit of strength there in the core. If you can, walk the toes a little bit towards you. Maybe come to the tiptoes. Maybe lift one leg. Maybe lift the other. Maybe stay both. Maybe hold onto the legs and straighten them out. Wobbles are okay. Or keep the knees bent. Take a big breath in, lift the chest, spiral the little fingers towards each other. And as you exhale, see if you can lower down any amount. Inhale, coming back up. Maybe try straightening through the legs. Release. One more time. Inhale, lower back down. Coming back up. Really nice. Let's go to the side. Arms to the right, legs to the left. Lower down. Coming back up. The other side like a boat ride. Exhale, coming down and coming back up. One more time, each side. Really good. Really working into the center of the body there. Getting everything moving. Maybe one last go. Straighten the legs out. And exhale, bring them in towards the body. Give yourself a squeeze. Maybe lower the head. If it feels nice to lift onto the tiptoes, crawl the toes towards you, maybe even lifting up. Good. And lower the feet back down. Coming into cross-legged, leaning over the body, untucking the toes. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, straightening through the legs, head and neck heavy. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, grounding through the hands, stepping back into your downward facing dog. Step the right toes in. Inhale, lift the left leg all the way up and back, maybe opening to three-legged downward dog if that feels good. Then as you inhale, bring the knee towards the nose. Hover here for a second and then step the foot between the hands. Bring the back foot in if it needs as you inhale, lifting up to high lunge. A big breath in to stretch you out. And as you exhale, softening into a twist, right arm in front, left arm behind. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, drop the back heel, open the arms out, warrior two. Good, inhale. Everything up. Exhale, softening in, back hand finds the back leg, turn the front palm to the sky. Reach through all of the fingers, and when you're ready, up and over. Straighten through that front leg if it feels good. And then forearm to the thigh, back arm up and over. Extended side angle pose. Inhale, straighten the front leg, fingertips down. Turn the gaze, the chest, the belly to the sky. Inhale, a gentle bend through the knees, lift everything up. Both feet turned out now, softening in, goddess pose. Big breath in. And exhale, sinking down. Really nice. Inhale up, turn the feet in so the big toes face in, the heels face out. And as you exhale, bring the hands to the hips, slowly lower forward. Release the hands in front of you, head and neck to the floor. Couple of big breaths here. Good. And then walking the hands towards the top of your mat, turning on your feet. Send the front foot back, coming into your downward facing dog. Bring the left toes towards the center. Inhale, lift the right leg up, opening all the way to three-legged downward dog, if that feels good. Then lifting knee towards the nose, hover for a moment, and then step the right foot in between the hands. Scooch the back toes in a little if you need, and as you inhale, lift everything up, high lunge, and exhale into the twist, left arm in front, right arm behind. Inhale, back to the center, and as you exhale, opening out, warrior two. Inhale, back, arm goes back, reverse warrior, and forearm to thigh. Extended side angle pose. Inhale, straighten the front leg, fingertips down, chest, gaze, belly to the sky. And exhale, a gentle bend in the front knee, lift everything up, turn those feet out, exhale, goddess pose. Another breath here, inhale everything up, and exhale in. Good, inhale up. Turning the feet so the big toes are in, the heels are pointing out. And as you exhale, soften everything over the body. Hands can stay heavy or interlock the fingers behind the back. Squeeze the shoulder blades, and as you exhale, head and neck towards the floor. Good, and then release the hands. Heel toe the feet towards each other and slowly soften down into your squat. Take a moment here, maybe shifting the weight from side to side. And then hands come behind you, lower yourself back down, bringing the bottoms of your feet together, sitting up nice and tall. And exhale here, butterfly pose. Release the shoulders. Another breath here. And slowly opening the eyes. Bring the legs out in front. Right leg comes over the left. Toes find space beside the leg. Your right knee is in the middle there of your chest. Your left leg can be straight out in front of you, or bend the knee so it's just around the side of the body. So your right knee is on top. Bring your right hand behind you, and we're going to turn to the right. Inhale, lift up through the left arm. Imagine lifting up and out of the waist. And as you exhale, bring the elbow to the outside of the knee and use it like a lever to gently squeeze you as you turn around over that back shoulder. As you inhale, sit nice and tall, and as you exhale, feel your body softening into the squeeze. Good, one more breath here. And exhale to release. Release the arms. Lean into the hands, untuck the legs. Give them a wiggle. And then bring the left foot over the other side of the body, of the leg. You can stay here, or if there's space, bring that right leg in also. Left knee's on top, left hand comes behind. As you inhale, lean back, lift up with the right hand. Imagine lifting up and out of the body. And as you exhale, squeezing into that twist. Really nice. A big breath in to lift you up. And as you exhale, twisting a little bit deeper. One more breath here. Good. And exhale gently back to the center. Unwind the legs. There you go. Bringing the feet back now to your easy cross-legged position. Taking a moment here. And then lying down onto your backs once again. Slowly, slowly. Good. You can bring the bottoms of the feet together. Let the knees fall out to the side. Maybe a gentle cactus of the arms. A lovely open, reclined butterfly. A really nice pose for resetting the balance in our body and our minds. So you can stay here for as long as you like. Or if you fancy coming into a full Shavasana, then releasing the legs, so releasing the arms. And just letting everything soak up. Maybe bring a hand to your tummy. Making the intention to treat your body and your mind with the utmost respect and kindness. And when you're ready, taking your time to gently roll onto your side, pushing yourself up, coming back into an easy seated position. Thank you so much for finding the time to do this practice, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.